Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have a Tesla here and my seats get gross. So I have this Teworld for Tesla Model Y and it is going to be some sort of seat covers here. Let's see if I can open this up. I'll show you all what it is. So this is it here. Let's see if I can open this up. So it's got a rubber back and it's got a little headrest cover, and then it's got this, and it's got all these little straps and things to hold it on. So the way it will work is we will put it around here. Funny, I'm doing it over a seat cover over a seat cover, but I get the idea. It smells like mint. I don't know why it smells like mint. So then we have that. Kind of neoprene-ish, the cover. So there we've got it. There, and there, and then there, and check it out. And there we go. That was easy to install and configure. So let's check this out. So it is kind of a nice neoprene-ish kind of feel to it. Oops, sorry, neoprene-ish kind of feel. It's got the nice little logo on it too. Got a couple of creases in it. Most of it is that you're seeing, like these lines here are just the shadow. The crease is right here. But yeah, it's nice. So what I'm gonna start doing is keeping my car seat much cleaner, and then because right now you see it's dirty, and then when I take my dog in the car, she can sit on this part here because she's the one who is the offender of making it filthy. So look at that, super easy. You saw I put that on in like 2 seconds. So super nice, and it won't fall off because it's got the bungees going around it. So definitely on there good. So totally awesome, thumbs up.